Past tense forms come with a unique set of hurdles to overcome. Today we'll learn about the third-person singular direct object transitive forms of Isan, and I think those forms will be a little bit easier. Hi, I'm Shanna, and this is Basque Berserk. If we re-examine the present tense forms of transitive Isan, we get nikdut, arkdu, gukdugu, sukdusu, suekdusue, and ayekdute. The past tense looks rather different from these present forms. This is largely because the direct object prefix d in the present tense has been deleted, and the subject indicating suffixes have shifted to the front and changed into the same prefixes we find in the past tense of intransitive Isan. First person singular is n, third person singular is z, first person plural is g, second person singular is z, second person plural is also z, along with an extra infix, te. Third person plural is, you guessed it, z, again with infix te. But Shanna, 4 out of 6 of these start with z. Yes, the trick here is to differentiate between verbs with the middle of the verb. After the subject prefixes comes our beloved letter u. And behind this comes the past tense indicator, which is n, or in this case en, except in the last two particular cases where the e of te and the e of n sort of merge together and just become ten. But wait, Shanna, what about guk, suk, and suek? Right. For now, all you need to know is there's an extra part to the prefix attached to the 3 forms, and that is en. This certainly helps distinguish past tense form ambiguity. Otherwise, we would have arksuen and suksuen, ayeksuten and sueksuten, which is just unacceptable. And of course, guk follows the same pattern as suk, so we can't leave that as guk-guten. It has to change as well. So altogether, these forms are niknuen, arksuen, guk-genuen, suk-senuen, suek-senuten, ayek-suten. I wish it was more of a progressively changing form, but Isan is irregular, so you'll have to get those brain neurons firing. I know, it really hurts. Try out my practice video for more torture. Thanks for watching. Agur!